Hey everybody, it's Mary Negron with Mary Negron School of Nails, and I am bringing you today this Model Ones 2024 Advent Calendar. I'm so excited to open this up and see what's inside. Let's go ahead and open this up. Oh, look, there's a little note here. It's very cute. Opens up, and right here there's a little note. So it says, "We wish you a Merry Christmas" by Model Ones. That's very cute. So this reminds me of when I was a kid, when I would do the chocolate advent calendars and just open them all up on the same day. Just eat all the candy. So let's go ahead. Let's jump right in. Here's number one right here. Let's see what we have. Okay. Oh, these are small bottles. Oh, very small bottles. This one is Snowy Mist. Let's see what color this is. Okay, it's a white. Ooh, I love the brushes. Look, I love brushes like this, but this is a very small container, but for the price, you really couldn't beat it, so I'm not complaining. So number two is right here. Number two is Champagne Shine. That sounds really pretty. It's like pink, sheer pink maybe. That's pretty. Number three. Ready to Glow. Here is number four. Ooh, I love the bottles. Look at the packaging. But I got all excited, and it's just base coat and top coat. This is so hard to come out of the bottle. Oh, I need to use this. Oh, there we go. So much easier. Okay, base coat and top coat. I wonder if this is non-white. Number six. Oh, cuticle oil. Oh, this is very cute. Nail and cuticle oil for your softer and stronger fingers. Okay, that's in another language, English. Okay, it's got some little instructions here, but I think we all know how to use cuticle oil, but let's smell. It looks a little watery. Let's see. I don't smell anything. It does come with a brush. Oh, I like it. It's light. It's very light. No smell though. Absolutely no scent at all. It is very cute packaging. What's next? We did six. Let's do seven. Ooh. Let's see. Okay, this one is called Golden Dawn. Ooh, very pretty gold color. Okay, number eight. Let's see. Oh, what is this? I think it's an LED light. Oh, isn't that cute? About fits in the palm of your hand. Oh, there we go. Okay, let's see. Okay, so I guess we gotta charge it. There's Model Ones on it. Does anybody know, is it Model Ones or Modelones? Modelones. 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 I don't know. Somebody tell me. Number nine here. Number nine. Ooh, sparkly. You can't have a Christmas polish line without something with sparkles. This weight is called Jingle Toast. That is so stinking pretty. Y'all look. Oh my God. I wish the bottle was bigger. Okay, moving right along. How did y'all let me skip five? Apparently, I can't count. I got distracted. It is called Ready for Xmas. There had to be a red in here. This is your red. This is Christmas red right here. Definitely Christmas red. Now, back on track. Number 10. Gotta have a green for Christmas, obviously. Okay, it is a Christmas green. Oh, it's called, oh, what was this one called? Hold on, this green was called Tremendous. That is so, don't you just love when they have really cute names? I love that. I can never come up with names like that. So this one is called Green Masquerade. Let's see, I'm excited to open this one. Ooh, oh my gosh, look at that. Color too. I love that. I'm excited to open up number 12. It's big. I don't know what it is, you know. It's big. What's in here? Let's see what's in here. Nail goodies. There's some Christmas stickers here. Some glitter. Okay. And it's really cute. Oh, they did send a charger. Let's charge it up. Let's go ahead. Okay, we got a little file here. Very cute. Oh, we don't use these. We don't use these. These are cuticle nippers and they are very dangerous. It's like doing a Russian manicure, but like with a razor blade. So I highly don't recommend using this tool, but you could use the cuticle pusher though. Let's see what else we got. Okay. A very small detail brush. Let's take a look at it. Modelones Coloring Life. A dotting tool on the end and a very small detail brush. That'll come in handy. I love art brushes. Are these polished as cat eye? Hold on. Some of these might be cat eye. I'm excited now. Let me swatch these. Oh my God. And some tweezers. Nice. So that we can pick up these little stickers off of here. I don't know if they are quality tweezers. Yeah, I don't think these are quality tweezers, but we'll try them and see. Oh, the last thing, some chrome. Oh, I love chrome. Some gold chrome. Let's go ahead and swatch our polish colors. So I have these clear swatches here. And I also have my Mary Negron Nails UV/LED lamp. You can get yours on my website and I will include the link below. First one was Snowy Mist. Ooh, I love a good one coater. The second one was Champagne Shine. I think this one's gonna be pretty. It's giving cotton candy. Let's go ahead with 2 coats. All right, let's go in with 2 coats here. All right, so this is coat number 2. Let's go ahead and do 2 coats of this. The next one, Ready to Glow. They included a magnet, so I'm thinking this one might be we're gonna test it out and see though. So I have this magnet here because I really like this magnet. Ooh, this is pretty. Let's see. It is. It is. Ooh. Oh, I love this already. Love it. I'm going to use their top coat. Now, this is their base coat that they sent. I'm going to use their top coat to top coat all these to test this out, because I'm not sure if this is non-wipe or wipe top coat, but we're about to see. Let's check it out. It's nice and thick. I like that. And we'll see if it is. Let's go ahead and do this one since it's got 2 coats already. Nice. Let's do a second coat of this. I am so excited. Oh, just in time for Christmas. Ooh, okay, let's hit it with the magnet. Ooh. All right, let me turn this way. Oh goodness, I love that look. That is so pretty. Before we move forward, let's see if this top coat is actually non-wipe or wipe. I am betting that this is non-wipe, but let's see. Here we go. It's non-wipe. Yay! No tacky layer. Okay, so there's no tacky layer. I love this one. This is Golden Dawn. And I'm thinking this one maybe it is. It looks like it might be a cat eye. I think this one is, I'm gonna bet this is a cat eye too. I am in my cat eye bag right now. I'm low-key obsessed with the cat eye. All right, let's see. It's not. I would have bet money this was a cat eye polish. It is not. Look, it's not doing anything. It's not cat eye. Okay, well, I mean, they can't all be cat eye. I am so obsessed with this glitter polish. I can't wait to swatch it. All right, here we go. This one's called Jingle Toast. I hear the angels. Jingle Toast. This is perfect. Look how pretty. Camera is not doing it justice. It is so pretty. Let's do our second coat of Golden Dawn. Okay, so it's gold, but it's not, it's giving like old gold. No, it's like, I don't know, a silver gold. Ready for Xmas. This is that red. Let's see. It's red. Yes, red. We're talking Santa Claus. Here comes Santa Claus, red. I love it. Oh, this is so pretty. This is so pretty. I love it. Let's top coat her. I love these brushes, y'all. That are on these little bottles. Why? These brushes are awesome. Let's top coat. Jingle Toast. This color, y'all, I love it. It's so sparkly. So there is Golden Dawn. So let's top coat. So gorgeous. This one is Tremendous. I love that. I love that name. Okay. It is very green. It's in there. I love the coverage of these polishes. There is our red one called Ready for Christmas. This one is called Green Masquerade. I can't see y'all. Ooh, oh. That is so pretty. Perfect Christmas green, shimmery green. I wonder if this is a cat eye. Let's see. Let's see. I have confidence that this is a cat eye. I said that about the last one, but this time I'm confident it's a cat eye. Y'all ready? Here we go. Yes, I love cat eye polishes. Look at that. That is gorgeous. Ah, beautiful. All right. Now with cat eye, you could leave it just like that and it is super pretty, but no. No. Look how pretty. Look at that. That is gorgeous. I am in love. Oh my gosh, this is so gorgeous. This is our lineup. Very pretty colors. If you are interested in purchasing this Modelones 2024 Advent Calendar, just click the link down here. I will link it in my description for you to be able to get it from my Amazon storefront. Support your girl, and we have more content coming for the holidays. Stay tuned. Make sure you like, subscribe, share the video. Make sure you follow me on all my social medias. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time.